Hello, everyone. It's we again. We again. And if you can remember the last time, the only thing we did actually was we reported the bug we found in KorGE and we created a small reproducer. Igor, maybe you can show it to us
Yeah.
or not, but it was kind of simplistic thing, just a new scene that shows that collisions are detected incorrectly when we use when we use custom anchors. Custom anchor points was the correct way to say it.
Oi. That's the wrong one.
Yeah, actually there was a hotkey, I believe, N or something like that.
It didn't work.
You can find it in main. Yeah, I think it was N.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally incorrect. And by the way, here we can see that it catches collisions from the previous scene. If you will show the scene as first, it will work in a slightly different way. But okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Kind of fine. It could work better. But you know what? You know what, folks? Between our episodes, I found that we are using KorGE version 3.0 and the current version is 3.4, which is kind of...
Yeah.
Igor, do it again, please.
Oh my god.
It's not how it should work. So yeah, and actually it was challenging to find where should I change the version, because what I usually will do to change version, I would go to the file called build.gradle.kts and yeah, something here, and I would update something here, but there is no any version. I mean, it's so custom built. The KorGE has its own plugin, and I'm not sure even if it's documented. How do you update version? But actually, I found it. Please open the project view, and there should be some. Nope, there should be some toml file, toml config somewhere. I can't even. Okay, let's just do search maybe. Okay, it's one way to do it. Yeah, I mean it's crazy. Nobody does things like this because Gradle is. I mean, it's not intended to be changed, but here we can see that we can redefine this version to 3.4.0.
Okay,
Yeah, and
let's
now,
actually check if this is the last one, right? How do we
yes,
do that?
just in case.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
it is.
3.4.
I mean, I checked it Wednesday, I believe. So now we should re-import our Gradle project. You can open Gradle tool window on the right. Yeah, and there is this small refresh button. Right. Now it will take some time. Maybe we can, I don't know, show some log. Maybe
That's
not.
all I can see here.
Yeah. But now it downloads the new Kotlin version and it will download the new KorGE version. And surprisingly, well, we'll see. We'll see. If it works for me, I'm not sure it will work. If it will work for everybody.
Let's just make sure that I want to start with the debug scene.
Yes, that's actually a good idea. Karao. I saw it downloads library called Karao. What I'm shocked about that is KorGE has the huge set of multi-platform libraries. I mean, it's a huge work. I don't even know how does he. There is only one author of this library, and I don't know where he finds this amount of time to build things.
Well, maybe it's a long project. I don't know how old is KorGE.
Well, at least several years. I think that at least 4, maybe more. Let's actually search. I will go to search Maven.org and we'll try to find, I don't know, something KorGE, something version 1, maybe. Yeah, it's not on Maven Central. I don't know that.
What is Maven Central?
Maven Central is a central repository of all Java-related artifacts, like PyPI for Kotlin.
Okay. So it's like separate place where it builds it, right? Or
Yeah, no, it doesn't build anything. It already deploys artifacts built by you. Yeah. So first of all, we were kind of stupid to report this bug because it seems to be fixed already. At least for me, it looks pretty normal. Do you want to update it?
Yeah.
Update bug?
Let's do it. Keep talking.
Yeah, let's update the bug. Meanwhile, if it's fixed, probably we should uncomment all the code we have commented, remove all this debug stuff, and try to maybe. It's not here, but I don't remember the exact place. I think it was KorGE, the KorGE project itself, KorGE/KorGE. Yeah, it's pinned actually. Nope. It's pinned, yeah. And issues here. Collision detections for circles, yeah. But actually, what's interesting, 1 week passed and nobody reacted to our issue, which kind of says something to me. Well, not like nobody. My colleague from JetBrains reacted to this issue, and he says that he had something similar. Sergey, you can see his comment, and he had his issue like 2 years ago, and it was something with collisions too. Wait, you have already checked? I completely missed this moment. You checked the version in the Hello World?
Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, we haven't changed it, so that's why it makes sense. But I'm surprised that this commit is from 5 months ago, and is it really that?
Yeah, I mean, so it seems that he just committed the small version update, right? And did nothing else. What is the latest commit in KorGE itself?
Two weeks ago.
Okay, it's actually being developed. So probably the author just don't have time to. By the way, we didn't turn on our music.
I mean, that sort of explains your or the follows up.
Yeah, but I mean,
it's quite intense. 3.0, 3.1.
Yeah, but I mean, it's done in so weird way. Sometimes people do it in Gradle.properties file. It makes sense. Like we have some settings for Gradle. Let's put versions inside Gradle. I can understand it. To put it in some very obscure place in TOML file, I mean, I don't like it, honestly.
Okay, so from what I see, it happened at 3.3. Yeah, and there was particular bug when this
changed. And actually, we started almost immediately after this bug was fixed.
Yeah, well, kind of unlucky.
Yeah. Okay. So let's get back to our code probably, and we don't need our debug scene anymore. What are you looking for?
What was the change? Yeah, probably some.
I don't even understand anchor disp.
Whatever. Okay, so we're using recent KorGE version now, which is, well, from my point of view, when you have version 3.4, it should be at least a year since version 3.0. And I'm just surprised that basically every month, or even often than that, right?
Yeah, probably even more often.
There was a new version released, and that's why I'm surprised.
Kind of depends on your definition of version. So
yes.
He introduces some minor changes. They're not breaking. Maybe he thinks that it makes sense to release a new version. It kind of makes sense to me, because if you have some customer base and they push you.
Okay, so first thing I noticed is that they don't bounce from the walls properly. And
yeah, but it's our bug, not his bug.
Yeah, absolutely. I just now want to fix all of this. Too many files. Okay. So since the anchor now is at where actually?
Yeah, I believe our anchor is currently at 0.0. 0.0.
Do we dare to try set it?
Yes. Sure. Yeah, now it will break. Yeah, but sounds good. Oh, looks good.
I mean, the balls are colliding properly now.
Probably.
Yeah. You can see that they detect the... What I meant by colliding properly, I mean colliding with walls. So that's fine by me.
Yes.
Right.
Now we should remove these boxes, I believe. And
I wonder if I do it here, would it be... No. Okay.
How could it change anything?
Because it's right after I set up anchor.
Yeah. Right.
So, well, how would I do that now when I... This is not cool.
Round rect.
Maybe I want to have it like this, so I'm fine that my zero... What I want to have is my zero want to be in the center of the circle. And if I remove anchor, that's what's going on. That my zero for the line...
Yeah, like, I see. So you have to set up your X and Y for boxes to minus radius of zero, of circle.
Okay. So
which
here
kind of
makes sense. Wait, here I add this. So let's, okay. Sorry. Let's actually make anchor 0.5, 0.5. If here I want to comment, no.
It's Ctrl-Alt-Shift-Click, I believe.
Ctrl-Alt-Shift-Click. Okay. Nope.
Oh. It's, yeah, like this. It's multiple cursors, and then you just... Why do we need these boxes?
We don't need... Well, the boxes are just an example that I have. doesn't really matter.
I mean,
am I happy with this or not? I'm not sure. Because if we want to add something around the circles, then we need to count that it's not in the
it's more of a question. Are you really going to work with these primitive shapes in future or not? Yeah. I would say you should subtract radius from x and y.
For what?
From x, subtract the radius for box from x and y.
Where is x and y for round rect?
You can, probably you can define it like this. Yeah, but it should be subtracted. Minus equals. Yeah. No.
Wait. No, it should not.
Yeah, you're right. It's beautiful. I like it. For y, you should do the same. No. Okay, then you can do it in lambda. After creation around rect. Yeah.
Okay. No. Yeah. Okay. Now let's say I'm happy.
Okay. Color me happy.
Is it actually? No, wait, okay, whatever. I don't yeah, let's just maybe just remove it.
Yes, and probably we should uncomment all the logics of small particles.
Small particles.
Yeah, do you remember we deleted it a long time ago for debugging purposes? And we created we created this 3 circles just to demonstrate something. I don't know what.
Yeah, but it's separate scene, the debug scene, or
no.
Okay. Yeah.
Currently, we are in a gas box. It's a gas box, not gas particle. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
There is a huge.
Okay.
Control Shift slash. Yeah, because we have separation between block comments and single line comments in Kotlin.
What is this line?
It's changed in Git, I believe.
Okay, but why it's so?
I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, it's because only space is changed.
Okay, interesting.
And also the previous one, probably no.
Wait, this one is something else.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Kind of interesting too.
Yeah, you still see that they fall into this.
Yeah, but I have an idea. We know for a fact that collision are detected correctly now, but we still don't have any unstacking logics. So when one falls into another due to some reasons, it can't really unstack.
I don't like this.
I don't like this too. Okay, now what we can do is we can just move on to the next thing, to try to build platformer or something else.
Where
Wow.
That's not how I would. Do they actually collide with the?
Yeah, we believe they collide. You can add updaters to them if you want.
to the small ones.
Yeah, to small ones. You can actually add updater to the gas particle. Then every time it collides with something, it changes color to green or to red. Nice. But we should put change there, right? Because currently changes.
Now they stuck. The big ones stuck.
Yeah, I believe they're stuck because they detect the collision, but they exchange the vector so fast that they don't have any option to unstuck. Do you understand me?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, how will they unstuck? Due to what?
This one
Thanks
is
to
too
what?
funny. Like what?
Yay, big boy! And actually, it changes colors, right?
Yeah. Just this two that are connected, and then very. This doesn't look right at all. So
Yeah, I mean, totally broken. Totally broken.
we can say that the library has its issues. Change is here. It's not the. It's not that
change
that
is change a different thing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not on collision effect.
Yeah. This is the unstuck logic you were talking about.
Yes.
Let's see if this changed anything. Well, they still go through.
For real? I don't see. Do they go through or do they jump through? It's kind of different because jumping through is fine. It's just an effect of unstacking.
Well, they get kind of attached to each other.
Yeah, this again this orbital effect.
Satellite stuff.
But maybe it's fine too. Well, okay, it's definitely not fine.
Yeah, we traded here. If we say that maybe it's fine, maybe it's not.
And when they become slower, they become this or satellite like more frequent, right?
Yeah.
Again, I'm not sure if it's not the same effect. Wait, one small question. Do two particles are being counted as collided if they are attached one to another?
Yeah, I think the collision
Okay,
is when
then unstuck logic should work a little bit in different way. We should add one more pixel to X or to Y for them to become non-stuck or non-collided. 1.0. Yeah, probably. No, didn't help. Yeah, and also distance should be less than equals than needed distance. By the way, do you know that you don't have ligatures enabled? Are you fine with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a way to transfer energy to the system. You create a lot of balls,
Yes.
and then you just remove it, and then you see how it goes. Can I make it 100? And then, whoa! I broke the energy.
How
Why
did this happen?
I don't know.
Is it some integer overflow? No.
Cannot be.
But wait, energy on overflow should go to negative numbers because we don't operate on unsigned numbers. What are you doing?
I just had a very weird situation when some of them disappeared. I'm making generative art.
Okay. Sorry. I forgot that you're a real artist.
Yeah.
They're a real artist.
What?
Dude, maybe you will just delete some of them. No? Because this unstacking will work forever.
So yeah, what happened is I started adding them, and then it goes to 0, and then some of them disappeared. Can't reproduce. Sorry. It looked like a swamp. I like these colors.
Yeah, I don't like these colors, but that's fine. Again, do we still have this weird quantum effects, satellite likes, like effects, and so on?
I mean, these two
Yes.
look like they have it.
Yes. I don't know why. I don't have any further ideas.
I think that when the sizes are the same, it's not.
I kind of have some idea. Let's do it dx plus 5, not dx plus 1.
Both of them?
Yeah, let's do both of them. Why not? Okay, no satellite effects anymore.
You saw that?
Yes.
It just disappeared.
Yes.
I didn't do anything.
I know why.
Okay.
And it's in outer space right now.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay. But where is the line?
But you can actually hit enter and find all the balls on the scene. Wait, we don't have this handler anymore?
I think we had it like for selected circles, right?
Oh, right. Yeah.
How did we deselect?
Happening.
Oh, yeah.
Let's add one more. Okay. I mean,
why?
Light effects.
Okay, now it's one of those that was this. Yeah, position none.
So it exists. We did something smart. We have wrong maths somewhere, right? Because how else could it become none? I mean, right?
At this point, I'm not sure. I'm also very concerned that the big one ends up in the bottom right corner, and I think that happens because we always add it to the bottom right corner.
Yes,
and
I mean, it's a dirty hack.
The
only thing I wanted to check, you see what it does? It's not perfect collision detection. It has some small lag. Like it can detect collisions in like 1 pixel from the big circle. Now they jump a lot, but collisions are correct actually. And well, it's actually, yeah, it disappeared. I'm not sure about.
So the problem that collisions happen too often, right?
Actually, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's a problem also. Why is the problem? I mean, it leads to unnatural behavior when it starts to jump a lot.
Okay, let's create PONG maybe.
Nice idea. Let's create PONG.
So
Should we create a new project or no? Let's just create a new scene. I'll enter on PONG scene. Create class PONG scene. Extract to separate file.
Can we configure it somehow?
Yes. Please use settings paths. Settings paths. Is it settings? Yeah, probably. No. It's completely different things.
File settings.
Control-Alt, yeah, Control-Alt-S. Paths. You have search box at the top. Is there something about paths? Man, I don't know. Version control. What is the?
Which one of these? Is just
Yeah, I
settings?
believe it says settings. So I believe it's settings, but I can't see any paths in there. Project structure,
path.
project libraries,
There's path.
sources.
Common
Wait,
names. Path for this.
paths. Yeah, use module. No, it's something different. Compiler output, artifacts, SDKs.
I have a lot of problems here. Okay.
It doesn't see problems. Maybe the source. Maybe sources, not paths. Let's hit into sources tab. Yeah, here. SRC.
Okay.
Expanded. No, expanded. Common main. Yeah, right. Common main. Probably no. Maybe you're right. Maybe it's Kotlin, not common main.
So this is.
Yeah,
Kotlin.
I think Kotlin. Yeah. Okay.
Any changes made to this will be apply. Cannot save settings. The
KorGE
root already belongs. So there is a root path. What?
Man, that's so. Okay. I don't know. I have no
Okay.
any idea. It's it's
ideal.
actually marked. It's actually marked as sources. Why can't we? It's a blue folder. It's sources. So yeah, okay. PONG thing. I just guess if it's KorGE who is convoluted so much, or it's some backend idea.
Why not buff?
I don't know.
Alt enter
I mean,
import class.
I did this section many times. For me, it's kind of usual. PONG.
Do I need to enter? Okay, Shift F10. See that it works. Yes. Okay.
It works.
Cool. Right.
So how PONG works? Do I understand correctly that it's two sliders and one ball, and so one slider is automatic. It's kind of bot slider,
Yeah.
Second slider is manually controlled.
Yes, you're correct. And there is like two numbers, left player, and then there's right player. Let's put it like, if you want to do it this way, then it would be score left, I guess.
Yeah, from small s, please.
I don't like Pascal case.
It's camel case. Yeah, right. Pascal
Maybe.
case is subtype of.
I
and
think
it
it's
should
the
be
same,
score,
actually.
right?
And we want to move it to.
Interesting. Can we see? I would prefer to do it like x equals -50, but it won't work, of course. It's not. It's scene.container, I believe, with or something like this, or scene max width.
But where is scene?
We don't have scene, but we have container probably. No, we don't have container.
But we use it here somehow, right?
Of course. But we SC, and SC is what? Scene.scene container. But scene, look. But scene is passed there somehow. Oh, you can actually do it like this dot width or this dot scene container. So it will be just scene container. No, it won't be. Wow. Oh, I know why. Because it's this at scene. But let's just try to remove this. Yeah, now it works. You also need score right. Control D. Control D to duplicate line.
Yeah, just did. Okay.
Almost. -100.
Okay, and then we have we can probably reuse our gas particle, right?
Why? Why do we need it?
I don't know.
How do you want to reuse it?
I guess we're gonna have the ball, which is a circle.
We need just circle. Red, I believe. I don't remember. What's the color of ball in PONG?
I mean, everything is white in PONG. If you go to this classic
okay,
PONG.
then it will be white. And we need actually dark blue background, black background. Yeah, black background probably.
Where is background? You mean for the scene itself?
Yeah, for the scene. But what?
Colors black.
Yeah, but it's kind of quirky thing. I would say that maybe it's fill. Let's try fill. No. Background. What is stage?
I mean, I want to access this one. This is stage. Right? KorGE stage. What's the shortcut to go to definition of this one?
Control B.
Control B.
From browse.
Okay. VG color.
I actually don't know how do you navigate. Okay, why is background color a property of KorGE, of the like engine? But you have stage
It's
here.
not it's a stage.
It was there.
Yeah.
Stage dot background color, no? Isn't it? BG, I don't remember.
That's
No.
exactly what I was trying to do. It
Okay.
doesn't work.
KorGE. Then let's just open documentation. KorGE background. Bones, lip sync, shapes, stage.
Well, we want to change scene background basically for this.
Yes. By the way, do you know that they have visual editor?
Visual editor? What? Really?
Yeah, you can. Documentation is obsolete, but on the left hand you can see the point visual editor, and it says that you can create the .k3 file, and for K3 file it will open visual editor for you. We can
but it's deprecated, so
yeah, it's documentation. Do you think that the visual editor itself is deprecated?
Yeah.
I hope that it's documentation, or maybe
I think it's deprecated as this.
That's nice that documentation is outdated and the class is deprecated.
Yeah,
it's kind of ironic. Views. So, can you access container and or scene or something?
We can access scene container.
In container, does it have fill?
No. It has color. Which
okay, let's change it.
Let's see if this works.
Yeah. Nice.
No.
You should import colors, yeah.
Forget about this one for now.
It did it. I saw.
Left and right, different ones. It's not what I wanted. That's why. So no, it should not be.
It so should hard. Be much simpler, right?
Yes.
Like much simpler. You know, I have very basic life hack. We can draw a huge rectangle on the...
Yeah. No.
This what? Like this. But it doesn't have the color.
How it sets the background color?
I don't have any idea. Let's navigate to So what did the... My God. Okay, what's next? Let's navigate to it. To the invocations. To the invocation. What are we doing here? Can you scroll a bit to the top? To the invocation. So yeah, it instantiates KorGE. Could you please navigate to constructor of KorGE? Just click on this on 89th line. Control click on KorGE or Control B on KorGE. What? Oh yeah, it's involved. What? Man, I don't even understand what's going on. How can we How is that? Oh, suspend operator fun invoke. Right. A little bit to the bottom. BG color. And what does it do? a real game window. So like, I don't want to know, but maybe we can access game window from inside the stage. It's sick. No, it should be just game window or something. I don't know where. Yeah. Great. For real, how could we understand it without reading the actual code? Okay.
What?
Like, man, I'm so shocked. I don't know what to say. Okay, let's just change. What? It's another way to do it. Yeah, now it works.
Are you sure though that it's?
No, I'm not. How can I be?
Yeah, at this point.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Nobody can be
totally
sure about
sick.
Yeah, you saw what happened.
Yes, it was red for kinda split second.
It doesn't work.
Something overwrites. Like, I mean,
Some updater somewhere overrides it.
yeah, I think that there is some global updater that does something to something. Okay, let's just change it to black. I'm fine with it. I actually know why does it work this way? Because in real game you will actually have your own background with some bitmaps, and I don't know how does this effect, how is this effect called?
Parallax.
Yeah, parallax effect and so on. You write it itself, and you don't really care what's on your background.
Well, yes, but then where would you change it? Like right now, the issue is that even if we don't touch anything, it defaults to black, right?
Yeah,
That's it.
yes.
So we don't.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. No, that's not. Let's work with what we have. Now we should create this sliders and ball. Val ball.
We want ball to be accessible later, so it should be
Yes.
here. Right?
You can split assignment and declaration there. Alt enter on it. Okay. Split property type declaration. Split property declaration. Yes. This one. Now you can move the valve ball circle like this. And it will be late in it. And var. But that's fine. Oh, let's do it, make it just white.
No, I mean position.
We should read the PONG specification.
You have like a section inside when the ball spawns, and it moves in a direction somewhere. Field stroke. Okay.
Enter. It should be a new line between. Yes. Nice. Too big. Nice. Like in the center.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we change its anchor?
Yeah, sure.
I don't know if there is a saying about Vietnamese flashbacks in English.
PTSD.
Yeah, PTSD is different.
Okay.
Yeah.
We want to have ball updates, or what's the main scene main? Something that's happening here.
What?
Just rolled it. No.
What do you want to do? If you want to add the scene main thing, just hit Ctrl-O, which stands for override, and override scene main. Right.
Okay. All right. And sliders, left slider, right slider, right?
Yeah, but yes, something like that. Are they just rectangles?
Yeah.
I believe they are not round rects actually. They're just rectangles. Solid rect. Something like that, no? Isn't it? Yes, solid rect.
Solid rect, yeah. Width, height.
So width is like 10, height is like 100, and
oh, center height.
nice. Okay.
But it's not. Spirit.
So scene height is integer and scene container height is double. Create property slider. Property. Yes. It still should be late in it. And it should be probably slider left or left slider. I think. Did we set color for it? No, we didn't. It should probably better rename it. Shift F6.
Ah!
You should hit enter. Sorry. Yes. Color or fill or something. Control P, properties, parameters. Color.
Color was white.
Yeah, color is white. Nice.
So maybe the X is wrong. X is 100.
I would say more like 20, and it should be double.
I just want to see it somewhere on the screen.
Yes.
Doesn't happen.
Doesn't happen. Okay, interesting. Still interesting. Okay. There should be RX and RY. What else do they have? Width, height, color, and callback. In this callback, we do X and we do Y. Wait, what is Y? Man, it's under the scene.
Okay.
Yeah, cool.
Makes sense.
Okay, nice. X should be like 20 or something. Okay, maybe like this.
Ah, wait. Control Z, right?
Да. Yes. 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 but they have the same height.
it's the same position.
So probably it will be a string container width. Really nice. Okay.
Okay, maybe the position here should be minus height. Yeah, more or less.
Okay. The next thing we should do is actually make the ball flight. It's just an updater.
Yeah, and the ball needs to where it's in. Well, it's here, right? Add
updater. Fixed updater. And it should have time span as an argument in parent. From lowercase t, and you should import it. What? Yes. It's the most useful updater we ever written.
Of course.
Okay, the initial movement is very simple. It just kind of moves, I don't know, 5 pixels right and 5 pixels down. Apply it and check. Nice. It works. I love this. I like this quick feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then on collision, we probably should add filter because you're interested only in collision with okay. In right text. Oh no. You should. All right. What happens if it hits bottom or top of the stage? No. Mm-hmm.
I have no idea for now. It should bounce, no? From the bottom. No, wait, it shouldn't.
I don't remember. Probably it should bounce.
Yeah, it bounced from the top, but
yeah,
passes the.
Okay, so it falls only in left and right parts, and it bounces from the top and from the bottom. What's happening right now?
I need this to be val. Right, yes. Scorer left and scorer right is a new property.
Yeah, but they are texts, so
no.
You should change the texts.
Okay.
You can have some scores.
Yeah, I want this to be a number. So,
score left is not number; it's text element.
Yeah, so I want to rename this to score left text.
Okay.
And I want to rename this to score left. This is so awful. Yeah. Okay.
Why do I see? So
now this I want to be a number, and I want to register new create property score left. It's
it will be 0 initially, right?
Yeah.
Equals 0. You don't need this light in it. Yes.
Why bother with this?
I actually don't know. Do you have camel hump enabled?
Camel hump? What is that?
It's setting for you not to select the whole world, the whole word.
Well, if I write this in a language that's supposed to have this stupid idea of variable names, it should be enabled by default.
Camel. Yeah, camel.
So your search is shit.
I'm not sure if it's called camel humps. Actually.
Camel humps.
Yeah, you don't need this, man. Please, just search for camel here. There, man. Let's fix the settings. I mean, it's annoying.
Settings, camel,
and smart keys. Use camel humps words. Yeah, try now.
Okay.
That's what we wanted.
Yes.
I mean, I know why it's not default. It's not default because people coming from other editors are not familiar with this concept, and they would feel uncomfortable.
Well,
even in game, it usually doesn't work this way.
Okay, now I'm annoyed that it didn't pick it up. Okay, I see the point. Text equals to score left.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, pim.
Okay,
good.
The left player is not awesome. Oh no, actually, it's right player who is not awesome.
I mean, we can go with this. No. Okay, never mind. That's all we have for today.
Okay.
So let's
do a quick recap then. Okay, yeah. Let's push it.
You can start with recap. I'll start with just committing stuff.
Yes. What we did today, we have updated the KorGE version to 3.4.0. We were quite surprised that it's still 3.0 in the KorGE Hello World, which is recommended starter project for KorGE games. And it fixed something. It fixed collision detection, seemingly, but we were not able to figure out what happens to our gas particles, and just decided to move on. And now we are writing a PONG game. It's very basic for now. We only have 2 sliders, 1 ball, the scorecards, and that's all. Yeah, and the ball is flying. But it's the start. Probably in the next time we will be able to finish it or almost finish it. I'm not sure if actually about AI of the PONG, because I mean it's too simple to write the perfect AI for PONG. Maybe because I mean we can predict where ball will land, and we can, I don't know, we can put the slider in there. But maybe if we will force the game to move slider very slowly,
the slider needs to move with a limited speed. And that's why it's
very limited speed. You mean like very like 5 times per 10 times per second for 1 pixel each time, then maybe it won't do it.
No, you have velocity for the slider, and then it increases with as much score you get, basically, and that's how you.
Oh, nice! I believe the original PONG didn't have this concept, but I like this idea. Why
the
not?
original PONG was probably programmed in a way that the light traces the.
Yeah, you're probably right. How did they manipulate the sliders?
Well, you have some handles that would adjust the position of some internal thing that would figure out the magnetic field that would force the beam to go in a proper place. I think something like that.
Oscillograph and something like that. I believe you can show the gameplay of original PONG if you have 3 more minutes while the thing is deployed. Is being deployed. No, not Kong. It's PONG. It's PONG was nice too. Yeah, PONG 9072 nice. What? I see. Okay, I'm sorry. They don't even have. Okay. Actually, they move very fast.
Yeah, but it's like it's 2-player game, so it's not.
Yes.
It has no.
And we can see that the ball is not actually a ball. It's some complex particle, right?
It's too. It's less complex. It's just 2 squares.
Yeah, 2 pixels. But I mean, physically, it looks more complex. And actually,
Yeah,
for us,
it's actually nice. It shows direction.
Yes, and for us, it will be actually harder to program this one compared to ball. Oh, and speed. When it goes slowly.
I mean, there's a lot of interesting things with Kong. That's why it's usually suggested as a first
PONG.
good example.
It's PONG.
PONG. Sorry. Yeah.
Kong is a nice game too, but when we'll go to the Kong level, I would prefer Mario actually.
Well, let's not go into this debate. PONG game here, 1 player, 2 player. This I can find many versions of this game.
Old Flash game, come on, old Flash game.
Neon PONG. 3D PONG.
Oh, I played this one actually. I believe in those times I played it.
Play against computer. Play. Ooh.
Yeah, it was interesting. It's interesting to program to actually. Wow. It's interesting to program without any 3D engine. It should be totally possible. Yeah. So didn't deploy already?
No, it does it in 2 passes.
Oh, deploy. Yeah, deploy to GitHub pages. It will still take some time for it to be updated.
Tap.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay.
So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching us. Hopefully we will finish. Continue developing our PONG implementation next time.
I think next time we will do the automatic one, and then we can add like a server connection or something, so it would be.
Yeah, but I still don't have any idea how to create server for it. Probably
you create a socket and you connect to it, and then I just need you to press the buttons.
You know, the issue is in Java, I of course know how to do it, but it's KorGE and it's multi-platform, so you have to have some. You should have some kind of.
Yeah, actually, multi-platform one is complicated because how would you run it?
Yeah, but for Kotlin there is a universal JSON serialization. I mean, PONG with JSON, JSON data exchange will be crazy. But yeah, let's try to figure it out. There are some interesting things about it. Thank you everyone for watching, and hopefully see you the next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.